Hello, my name is Garrett Fuentes-Dills, and welcome back to the series where we review technology tools that can be used in the classroom. In this video, we're going to be reviewing the technology tool called Book Creator. Now, I first heard of Book Creator well over a year ago. Initially, when I heard about it, it was through my district's professional development. They were just having a big push for trying to get teachers to use this technology tool. At the time, I didn't really think it was something I was interested in learning about and didn't think it'd be helpful for my students. But through this assignment that I'm having to do where I review different technology tools, I decided to kind of check into this tool again and was actually really impressed with it. So with that being said, let's get into the overview. So Book Creator is a digital bookmaking tool suitable for all grade levels. It can be accessed through a web browser or on the iOS App Store. For me, that's really helpful because my school district is one-to-one with iPads, and so being able to have that as an app on their iPad is really helpful. But if your school does not use Apple products, then you could also access it through a web browser. Students can work independently on creating a book, or they can work collaboratively with their classmates to create one. Also with this tool, it's a free account obviously for teachers, and then if you want students to have access to it, you just have to create an access code from your account as a teacher and give that to students, and then they're able to access your library. From there, they can view different books that other students in their class have made, or they can work collaboratively with other students in class on creating a new book. Book Creator meets IST standards for educators by allowing you to model and nurture creativity and also offer alternative assessments. I can see this tool being used as an alternative assessment for maybe a social studies unit. So if you were exploring or you were doing a unit about explorers, then maybe you could have each of your students create a book that would discuss an explorer's life, their accomplishments, challenges, and things of that nature. And so that would just be a different option for you to assess their knowledge on that unit without having to do the traditional pencil paper tasks. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the demo of this tool. So once you've created your account, you will get signed into your teacher dashboard, and I have my library right here for 5th grade. So from here, I can just choose create a new book. You have an option to either do comic books or to do a traditional style book. They also have various templates as well that you can choose from with a variety of different themes like that. So I'm just going to choose a blank one to start with. So choose the square option, and let's say that I wanted to do my report over, let's say, George Washington. Okay, so I'm going to look up pictures of George Washington. Okay, there we go. So we have several different pictures of George Washington to choose from. I'm going to pick this one. Actually, let's do the animated one. That one's kind of cool. So we'll do the animated picture of George Washington and add that to our book. It does take a couple seconds for it to load up, and it kind of sizes it to fit the page. But it's kind of boring just having a picture of George Washington, so let's explore some different backgrounds. So some options for backgrounds is you can choose to do a shape. So let's say I'm going to do this purple one. So if I want to make that the background, I'm going to kind of stretch it out to be the size of the page, but you see it's obviously not in the background, so if you just right click on that, you can hit move to back, and there you go. You can still adjust the image if you would like to make it fit the full screen, or if you want to kind of play around with it some and center it, you can do that as well. You just have a variety of different options. So there you go, you've got your title page. Maybe you wanted to then add some text, so you could add George Washington's name, if I can manage to type, okay, and hit done. And then same thing as before, you just kind of have to size that however you want to, and you can adjust the different types of text that you want to use. You can also use a variety of different languages as well. So it's a really unique tool that just gives you a lot of different choices for how you want to design that book. Okay. Anyways, thank you for tuning in to this review of Book Creator, and I'll be back with one more review of another technology tool that you can use in your classroom. Thank you.